Dad, you snored during the sermon today.
No, I wasn't sleeping. I'll have you know, I understood every single point of the sermon.
Really? Then what was the topic about?
It was about, Moses? No, wait, Abraham?
The message was about forgiveness. Did your father forget again? Church isn't just about sitting there. It's about listening, learning, and letting the words change you.
You're right. Next Sunday...
Have you ever wondered how some of these videos are being done? Well, today I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I'll show you step by step how I created this funny and heartwarming 3D Pixar-style short film about a family. You'll see how I built the characters, wrote the script, generated the animations, added voices, and put it all together. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. Step 1, writing the storyline. The very first step was writing a fun but meaningful storyline. I asked ChatGPT to help me create a 5-scene story about a family coming back from church, with humor, family bonding, and a lesson about listening and forgiveness. Here's the breakdown. Scene 1, the tease. Scene 2, the challenge. Scene 3, the reveal. Scene 4, the lesson. And Scene 5, the promise. If you've got your own story ideas, grab a notebook and start writing along with me. Trust me, it makes the process way easier. Step 2, creating the characters. So you open your Openart, go down to character, and click on it. Then start with description. Now what you do is that you first name your character, and for us, we'll be naming it as Dad. Then go down to ChatGPT, copy our prompt, and then paste it. Choose 3D so it can give you a very good image. Wait for a few minutes and click Add to generate your character. You can see it gave us 3. Then we pick the one that best suits us. Pick the one in the middle. Looks more like what we want. And then we click Generate. Wait for a few minutes. So as that has been generated, you go down to create your other characters. Next one will be our mom. Paste our prompts. Make sure you're always choosing 3D and check the prompts to see that it's what you want. Then click on Create again and pick the one you want. And then, as you're creating your model, you go down and create the next character. Next one will be the daughter. You paste your prompts, choose 3D again, and click Create. As that's been generated, you go down and then create your last character, which is the son. Don't forget to always name your character. Paste your prompts, pick your style, and then click Create. And there we have all the characters we want. Now that we're done with our characters, we'll move to the next step. Which one of these characters is your favorite so far? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know if you're more Team Dad, Team Mom, Team Daughter, or Team Son. Step 3, image creation. You can see here all our characters. Now when you go for image, you go down to click, check your rights. You'll see image side. See the box for image. Click on it. Then click on switch, click on my characters. Then you'll see all the characters you've created. Click on your first character. Then see prompt that says add character. Add characters depending on how many you have in each scene for your story. Here we have all the characters in our first scene, so we add them. Go back to Activity, copy your prompt, paste, and read through to make sure everything is accurate. And always tell Openart who is supposed to be there. Cross-check carefully, then change your number of images. We're going to be using just 2. And then click Create. Within a few minutes, it generates the image you want. Then you do this for each and every scene you want to create. Let's check them out. You can see the first one gave me what I want, but this looks somehow, so I'm going to pick this one. Then click on the download button and download your image. You do the same for the remaining. For each and every scene of the video, choose the one that best suits what you want, and then click on Create. Don't skip this step. The way you build your scenes will determine how smooth and believable your animation looks. Stick with me. because the next part is where the magic really comes together. Step 4, bringing the images to life. Next, it's time to bring our images to life and sync them with speech. Click on Video, then switch to VEO3 since it gives not just realistic movement, but also perfect lip sync. Upload the image you want to animate. Let's go with our male character who's standing with his hands on his head. Now, add your animation prompt. For example, male character standing with hands on his head says, it was about, Moses? No, wait, Abraham? Then click Create. Within a few minutes, your video will be fully lip-synced and animated. Let's listen to it.
It was about...
Pretty interesting, right?
Moses?
Repeat
No, wait,
this same process
Abraham?
for the remaining images until every scene comes alive. Hey, if you're getting value from this tutorial, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed. That way, you won't miss out on more tips and tricks just like this. Alright, here's a bonus tip that'll help you save some credits on your next animation. Quick bonus tip. There's another way to generate your videos while using fewer credits. In our first method, we used about 800 credits, but this alternative is more efficient. Here's how it works. Click on Audio, copy your dialogue prompt, and choose the voice you want. Once the audio has been generated, click the 3 dots and select Use for Lip Sync. It'll automatically take you to the lip sync section. Now choose your image, add your animation prompt, and click Generate. Don't forget to give a specific prompt for who's supposed to be talking.
The message was about forgiveness. Did your father forget again?
This method uses fewer credits than the first, but both produce great results. It's your choice. Go for whichever works best for your project. Now that all our scenes and clips are ready, it's time to edit everything together in CapCut. Import all your generated clips into the timeline. Arrange them scene by scene according to your storyline. Then add your voiceovers, sound effects, and a little background music to bring the mood to life. You can also add transitions between scenes for a smooth flow and use text captions to highlight key moments. Once you're happy with the timing, adjust the brightness and contrast to give it that cinematic look. And just like that, your animation is complete. Now let's watch the complete video.
Dad, you snored during the sermon today.
No, I wasn't sleeping. I'll have you know, I understood every single point of the sermon.
Really? Then what was the topic about?
It was about, Moses? No, wait, Abraham?
The message was about forgiveness. Did your father forget again? Church isn't just about sitting there. It's about listening, learning, and letting the words change you.
You're right. Next Sunday, no more holy naps. I'll stay awake.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love animation. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.